guys, it's Sharp. This should be, if you watch the previous video, part 1 of day 5. This is part 2 of day 5. So you've clicked on the right video, if you were wondering. Right now we're on our way, we're on the interstate, on our way to Falling Waters State Park. If you guys watched part 1, you would have known we were just at caves. These, what were the caves called? Florida caves or something? Florida caves. I guess it's the only caves in Florida, maybe? I don't know why it's
caves
called.
that aren't underwater.
Yeah, so these are non-underwater caves. They were really awesome to see. If you didn't see them, go to part 1. I'll put a link in the description if I'm not too lazy. So we're almost there right now, actually. I've been spending this whole time putting the part 1 together while I was in the car, so I don't have to later. I should do that all the time. Just keep putting the videos together. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're at the park. Neither of us are none of us are from around here, at least not this part of Florida or even in this part of the country, but we're all getting lost. We went down the swimming area road, so we're by the swimming area. But we want to get to the actual falls, and I wonder if there's going to be tours.
I'm drinking a beer. Yeah.
Okay, now we found where we're supposed to be. Alright, so we're in this parking lot. I'll see you guys in a second when we walk down the trail. Yeah, we're not like hiking Mount Everest, but alright, we're going down the Sinkholes Trail. We're going down the Sinkholes Trail. It's supposedly is a 45-minute walk, but there's parts of the trail that are blocked off, and you really only get to see you really only get to see 3 sinkholes in 5 to 10 minutes. There's a sinkhole right here, supposedly. I don't know if that's a sinkhole. But I guess.
Falling water sinkholes. State natural.
Alright, this way to the sinkhole trail. Come on, guys. Never mind, we just turned around. We're gonna see the waterfall first. Ooh, look at this. Lots of stairs. But we're not going up there, are we?
What do we got going on over here? We can go up.
Ooh, sinkhole. Alright, here's the waterfall.
Such as it is.
And the condition it is right now.
Man, oh man, oh shit, let's look at that. That's deep.
Look how deep that is.
That is a sinkhole.
Yeah, this is the whole area. There's everybody. There's Dad. There's Opa. He's already had enough. There's Mom in the pink. Can't really see her. And then there's Christosis. Oh yeah, new steps. What's up? Let's see where this goes. Ooh. I left them in the dust. Ooh, it goes going far, aren't we? There's people up there. We've been spotted. There's this mysterious hole right here. Check that out. I don't know what that is. And here's another little sinkhole thingy down there.
I don't have to be able to run.
Gotta climb over this fence.
Up there, I just have to be able to run. You.
Somebody in there, brother. Gotta look at the map and nobody brings it.
I know. The split area. I don't know where we're going. Hey guys, we're on the beach. There's some sand here. Alright guys, we just made a loop, so we're repeating this trail again.
Mocker nut hickory.
Whoa, look at this sinkhole. Woohoo! This is the more mountainous part of Florida. Look at these massive hills. No, I'm just kidding.
If we dig a hole deep enough, people.
Guys, check out this massive banana spider. This is even bigger than the one before. Look at that sucker. That thing is huge. And there's another spider in there too. Probably one of its babies. It has a little
Stink bug right here and throw
I
it
got a
into the
stink bug. Now we're back at the car, but we're gonna
If
go
we had gone straight
up,
on the boardwalk
down the
instead
little
of
road to
curved,
the swimming hole. It is
It's
a
called the
hot one out there.
Whitegrass Trail. It's 10 minutes. And some more just went down.
We were just there, and now we're going down this dirt road right here. Going right down the street to this swimming hole. You can see some.
So we would have to change probably.
You can see some cars parked here, because this is where people are swimming.
Let me get out.
Alright, I'll see you guys when we're out of the swimming hole and out on our way home.
Topics make a while back
Alright,
because
guys,
then
we're
I
out
read
of the
something like
pool.
that and then I thought, oh,
The reason I'm
I
sweating
forgot
because
about
it's
it.
really hot outside.
I thought
So,
it was because
the
they
water,
said it
there's
was,
got to be some hot
used for
springs
milk.
because
I'm sure
the
that's what they were
water
talking
was
about.
probably 100
With
degrees in some
waterfalls.
spots. And
I-
it was unnaturally
I thought
hot,
to myself,
and it wasn't
something
hot
is
like
in
that
control.
because of the sun. No,
I
would not have gotten hot
I
because of
would
the sun.
say
But
that if
yeah,
it's
then we
not
got out and we were having like a little
July,
picnic, eating the rest of our food, and then we're
some
finally.
other time of the
It's
year,
3:24. We're finally
it's
getting out of
probably
here. We're
really
driving out of
nice
the
to
park.
come here and
right
drive
now, or at least-
around and all that.
Yeah,
But
we're
it's
driving
like
out of the
noisy
park.
and
So yeah,
Surrounding area.
just got onto the main road. So
Two industries
or we were
operating
on the
near
main
the
road.
waterfall.
We just pulled out of like
Is
like
a
you know
grist
the
mill.
road ended up into the park. So
In
We're out of the
1891, illegal waters. Indian legends and a wildcat stock promoter's claim of oil helped get the project.
have you guys ever had
Going.
Mountain Dew Black Label? If you haven't, get it. It is so good.
A tall wooden deer.
Mom's attempting to play Temple Run 2 now.
Oh, my finger doesn't work very good.
Don't jump yet. Swipe to the right. Yay.
Oh!
We've been probably driving for like an hour or 20.
Hour and a half.
It's an hour and a half maybe. We've,
It takes an hour and a half to get home, so we
where-
got like.
I'm in making a video. Anyway, so we're 23 miles from the exit into Pensacola, and then we won't have that much time before we get home. Then we're gonna order a pizza. Woo! I don't know where from though. We're debating either Papa John's or Hungry Howie's. Hey, we're in areas I know where we are. We just got on the long bridge over Escambia Bay. To the world. Don't judge. Hail to the King is on right now. Oh my gosh, we're stuck. We're stuck in 5 o'clock traffic.
Making a trap.
Shut up.
It's creating a gridlock situation.
We're finally home. Mom is taking home these giant pine cones. Why? Now I'm in the car with the guys. We're going to pick up Opa's prescription and get the pizza, yeah. We added another via point to the list on this Grand Theft Auto mission. We gotta get gas now too, because we're low. It says we got 37 miles left.
So we're at 50 miles.
Oh my gosh, this light won't turn green. Guys, my favorite store of all time right there, Guitar Center, yay. Yay, we're moving. Hungry Howie's, that's where I wanted to go, but we're going to Papa John's. Yeah, we're going to Papa John's. I've never...
Little Caesars. How about Little Caesars?
No, that's gross, apparently. Like, Mom said it's more bread.
Over there.
Mom said it's more crust than toppings. Here we are walking into the Everwell Specialty Pharmacy. Whoa, check out this place. Sleep and relaxation, weight control, cardiovascular. Check out these cool lights. Alright, now we're leaving. Now we gotta wait for him. But we're leaving Everwell Pharmacy. Back in the car.
It's a supplement.
Now we're on our way. Where are we going?
I guess we'll go to the pizza.
Yeah, now we're on our way to the
John's.
Papa John's and get
because Mama
pizza.
wants to use her Walmart card for the
that's right.
gas. But it is risky, so next time you...
Here we are pulling into Papa John's. I've never had their pizza before. This will be an experience. Look at this place. Look at the pizza delivery cars right here. Yeah, we've got our... Oh, wait, where's Christopher? Oh. Alright, we got our pizza sub. We got our pizza, and what are we doing now? Going home?
Yep.
Getting back on the road, going home, son. Alright, home stretch. There's the GameStop. In this little plaza thing right here, we got Zaxby's. Here's a Walmart. What else we got? We got Little Caesars. Then we got Guitar Center coming up here. This is like the best road. The best International Food Market.
Get some...
Hungry Howie's. We could have gone there super cut. So I got a haircut place. I got a guitar place. We got grocery stores.
Oh, that's...
We got GameStop. We got all the best stores right in the vicinity of my grandma's house. Summer Lakes Lane, we're home.
Outweigh those that have made wrong decisions.
Right here.
The nation
I
as
think
a
I want
whole
to pull around so I can
everyone because
get my
of some
truck
of
out.
these few bad decisions and
Maybe
few bad
circle
cops.
around
It's not
and
fair to us. It's
Safe
not fair
Light
to
Auto
us.
Glass. That was here yesterday. Unless he works there, it could be someone. He could be repairing his windshield.
park right here for a little bit and then...
All right, we're home.
Pensacola State College.
Pizza time.
Oh yeah, lay it up on me.
It is just You might as well put it in
Oh,
the,
this
in
is
the
my favorite.
dining room, but
This is my
everybody
favorite.
can
They
sit.
kind of
Alright.
energizing. Passion fruit mango.
Oh yeah. Already going for a piece before everyone's even inside.
Pepperoncini.
You can get
Oh, I want one.
Matt,
Pepperoncini.
$7 a piece.
Awesome.
I guess we just sit down.
Ooh, that's hot. First bite of the works slice. Mm. 10,000th bite of mushroom and onion. With pepperoncinis on it.
Better get the upholstery cleaner off of this chair.
Alright, what up guys? It's been hours since dinner. We've been just chilling on the couch and stuff. I was on the computer trying to find some of my shoes.
Okay.
And I made some pretty cool custom Converse. And making some different custom shoes. Yeah, really hard decisions out there, huh? Yeah. And now they're going to bed. Everyone's going to bed. Alright guys, I have my retainers in, but I've been up editing this video, so I'm gonna go to bed. It's like 11:20.